We got a new toy. Well, I got a new toy, but we got a new toy. So we thought we'd do a little unboxing here of it. I actually got this on Thursday. Today is Sunday, and I've been dying to open this.
Are you going to tell them what it is?
Well, I'll tell them in a minute what it is. In a minute, it'll be obvious what it is. So here we go. I got us a DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. And we are looking forward to some spectacular footage once I figure out how to use this thing. But in the meantime, let's open it up and see what's in the box.
And this is the combo pack?
This is called the Fly More Combo.
Okay.
And we'll get into a little bit more of what that means. So we might need the knife.
I'm going to keep it right there, but
Okay.
you know.
But away from me. Yeah, I get it.
Ooh.
So it comes in this very nice case
That's a nice case.
that holds all the stuff you need. And it's impossible to open. Sorry if this is clumsy.
They do that on purpose.
I've never done an unboxing before. So.
I'll just drop that over there.
Okay, yeah, we'll pick that up.
That's
later.
my thing.
Yep. So let's start with opening this up. I'll get that out of the way. Little box that was inside, and I imagine this is like all the paperwork. And we have some blades. So I believe these are the initial blades that you put on. And then these are the spare blades that come with the combo.
Very
The
handy.
Fly More combo. So you have lots of extra blades.
The book. The book that Paul's going to read, aren't
The
you?
book, this is the quick start guide, and then there's the
You're gonna
manual with
read
it
it in
as well.
Spanish. You sure?
I'll read it in Spanish and maybe Portuguese, we don't know.
Oh.
Okay, so now,
Open it, open it, open it, open it.
so here is the
Oh
drone,
my god, look how cute it is.
and this is the little,
May I touch it?
yes, and this is the little like nose cup that goes over it to keep it from getting damaged in the bag, because the bag
A
is,
little frump, but
yeah,
that's okay.
that's a little, yeah, but that's okay,
You
it's
can
doing
bring
its
that back to
job.
life, I think.
Yeah.
Look at how cute it is. Look how tiny it is. This is how tiny my hand is.
Then we've got another black box. This is the charger. One of the things with the Fly More combo is you get 3 batteries instead of just one without the Fly More combo.
Yeah, I would think you would definitely want probably at least 3 batteries if you want to really go out and
Yes,
sit around.
it
with
says it has a fly time of 34 minutes, and that's probably a generous estimate. So
Yeah, they've got
really,
that
you're probably
power.
25 minutes safely before you better get the thing back. So you can probably fly for, a little over an hour with the 3 batteries. And this allows you to charge all 3 batteries at the same time. So that is very handy. Let's see what we have in here. I'm guessing it's going to be the batteries. One of the batteries is on the drone already.
That's the controller.
The controller's over here. We're not there yet. So in this black box we have
Ooh.
the 2 extra batteries.
Cool.
1, 2. We've got a multitude of cords, so it comes with, this is the charger. So this goes into the charger, and then this is the power cord for the charger.
Okay.
And I thought I saw, yes, the charger also has a USB out, so you can charge your phone
Good. That's
or the
handy.
controller. I think the controller also needs to be charged.
Yeah.
And this seems to be just a little spacer that was in there to hold things. And Anything else in here? Oh, a snack. Silica gel, one for you and one for me.
Delicious. Save those for later.
And then here is the controller.
They wrap things good, eh?
They do wrap things really well. I had thought about maybe opening this early so I could see it, but
Nah.
I had a feeling it was probably wrapped up
People
really
want to
well.
see how it really comes, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, so that's it.
So that's the controller. There's two little things that go on there, and I think there's some more stuff inside this flap.
Is this the one that hooks to your phone as well? Or am I mistaken?
No, you are correct. So there was more stuff in the top flap of this as well. And one of the things
Christmas
that's
time,
in
isn't
there,
it? It's like, wee. Oh, that's, do you want me to do that little teeny one?
no, I got it, I think. So these
Oh, there's a
are,
little beep, boop, boop.
and then this just opens up,
Oh,
and your
yeah.
phone goes right in there, and it's kind of spring-loaded. And then the cable that you plug into your phone is right here as well. And-
Oh, right there. Yeah, coiled up in there. Oh, that's
Yes.
handy. Okay.
And this one happens to be for,
Can you see that? It's all coiled in there. That's really cool.
that is for an iPhone, which I do not have.
Neither.
So, and this is for the, oh, this is actually
Oh, so you can swipe that
USB-C to USB-C,
Oh, cheers.
which is what I need for my Android phone. So you just unplug that, plug that one in, and then that will go back in there when you're not using it.
Oh, that's awesome.
So that is what goes on
Ready
here.
to go. Cool.
And then in
Is
here,
that a battery for that?
I don't know yet. Let's open it and see. You want to open this one? You get to have some fun
Let me
too.
open one.
And you can open both of those.
What is it? It's a battery thing. It's got teeth
That
in the
is,
back.
I think, the single charge
Oh.
that comes with the normal.
Oh, for oh.
Ordinarily, I would not get
That's
this.
the combo pack. This is the
That's for the
single.
combo pack. So ordinarily,
Understood.
so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what I spent here. So ordinarily for the drone, a battery, the controller, and a charger is $799, I think. I bought the Flymore combo, which was $988. So it's $189 extra. So these two batteries are $125 a piece. So just the two extra batteries are worth $250. I've already more than broken even on that
Yeah,
deal.
that makes sense.
The bag does not come with it. I don't know off the top of my head what the bag costs, but I read somewhere
It's
that
not
the
free, probably.
if you were to buy the Flymore combo individually with the drone and then all the extra pieces, it would cost you $450 to buy all the stuff that you get for $189. And I didn't know that when I bought it, but it just seemed like that was what I wanted to do, was get all the stuff with the extra props and all that stuff, so that I'd be ready for
You want to
anything.
get something like this and then find you're limited with what you can do with it, what you want to do with it. So yeah, it's a choice. Ooh, filters.
Some filters, there's 3 filters. These are $65 if you buy them individually.
How?
I remember that off the top of my head. And those just pop on. This is the gimbal cover guard that you pull this off, and then
You put
there's
them on
the
there, and then you
actual
pop that back
lens
on.
in there. And I'm not going to get into setting this up right now. This was pretty much what I wanted to cover on an unboxing video. And then these buttons do stuff. And this button turns the camera on and off. This little wheel does something when you're flying. And then I believe these pop out. Oh no, these are spare. Oh, it comes with spare little deals. So these actually go there. And this actually feels really good. So, and then there's a couple buttons here too. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Please
Bye.
subscribe.
Please subscribe and watch our
Like
videos.
this video.
Okay.
High five. Woo!
Okay.
All right.
I think that went not too poorly.
I think I did really good.